Hello, sir.
Hello. How are you doing, Simeon?
I'm fine, sir. You have to wait. No. Hello. Hello. Photo safety. Okay. Yes, sir, I've done it.
Okay, I'm taking a look.
This is it, sir. So I thought of doing for this
You,
power.
Simeon,
Should I do power for this one?
Simeon, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
That first one is not complete.
The first one.
Yes.
Huh?
Did you even test this code at all? Did you test it?
Yes, sir. I did test it.
I don't think you I'm pretty sure you didn't test it. So see, go back to the code. Go back. You didn't test it. Just go back to the code.
When I tested it, it only showed me one alert.
You see, whenever you do a code, whenever you write code, always test it.
So I tested it.
So did I not tell you that something was wrong?
Wait, I'm coming, sir.
I should have signaled to you something is wrong. It's not supposed to show you only one alert. How many alerts do you have here?
3.
And it's showing you only one. That should have
Yes.
told you, man, something is really wrong with this code. Look at what you have there. What is there on the right hand side of the assignment operator?
Also,
Look at the right hand assignment operator. Look at the comment, volume of a cuboid.
Sir?
Look at the comment, the green one, the one in green.
Yes, sir.
What do you have on the right hand side of the assignment operator?
L.
Is it only L that you have?
L, B, and H.
How come you only ask the user to enter for H alone? You now neglected L and B as if they don't matter.
Oh, okay, so I should have done it for all 3 of them.
What were you thinking? Yes, all 3 of them.
Okay, sir.
If your name started with H now, I would have said it's because your name starts with H. That's why you were biased. But your name doesn't even start with H. So I'm wondering why you did only for H. You left L and B. It's like
Yes,
you don't like L and B. All right, so fix it up, fix it. I'm sure you will see that when you put that part, everything will be in place. So that's one, but I'm looking at the other bits. Let's see what might be missing. Make only this thing one to show. Now look at your variable.
Yes, I did not get this one because it says LXLXL or V cube.
Yes, now L is valid. What's wrong?
Sir?
You got it now. Why did you say you didn't get it?
Oh, I got it for this.
Now, something that you raise to power is the same thing as saying passing times itself times itself. But I expected you to use math.pow.
Yes, sir, that's what I said when the class started. Math.power. I asked you if I should use math.power.
Yes, I expected that. But you have not finished now. Is that all you will do?
Oh, no, sir.
See, math.power is a function. Are you listening? It's a method. And anytime you have a function, always in your mind, always ask yourself, what are the arguments of that method? So that means you must have a parenthesis.
I don't know.
No, that's not it. That's not right. The parenthesis must come directly immediately after the method name. So pow, immediately after that W, you should have a parenthesis. Inside that parenthesis is what you call the argument. In this case, what are you raising to power 3? So is it R that you're raising to power 3 or L?
Sir?
What are you raising to power 3? Is it R or L? I'm wondering why you
L.
put R. So
Also,
why
sir.
do you have R? Then that 2, is it power 2 that you're raising it to or to power 3?
Power 3.
Then so make it 3. That's correct. Now let's go back to that first one. There's still something wrong. Your variable that you declared is small letter V. When you now come to put it in alert, you're using capital letter V. Which of them exactly are you dealing with?
So it's small letter. Everything is small letter.
That look at it very well. Look at it. The first one, LBH. LBH.
Sir, which one?
Look at the alert, the first alert, the very first alert.
This one. Or this one? This one.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen anything anything wrong with it?
Oh, okay. Is this capital letter? Is that right?
Better. Yes. Okay. We're not done. No, I'm still looking at the third one. Then you are supposed to add images of a cuboid, and all that. You did not do all that. Why?
Yes. Oh, I never see. Okay, so sir. I need to copy.
And then this one, I'm only seeing one image. Is it only one shape that you have? I expected to see an image of a triangle, an image of a circle, an image of a square, an image of a rectangle. All those things, I don't see them here.
Sir, you said one of them.
I didn't say one. I said all of them. You are dealing with all of them, so the shapes should all be represented. Is that where you're supposed to put an image? What happened? You mistakenly copied instead of pasting.
The picture.
Now, if you don't have those images yet, you will have to go and look for them on the internet.
Yes, I got that.
Okay, so hold on before you go. Let's make sure that the code is working, because all these other ones are just entertainment. Just the looks. The code is the real thing that we're after. So let's look at the.
Sir?
Can you hear me?
Not really, sir.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I said let's finish looking at the code before you test it. Just hold on.
Okay, sir. So is this one
Okay.
right?
That's what I'm looking at. Apparently, it's not. So you have a volume here. Volume of a cylinder. V cylinder is assignment operator pi times r raised to power 2. That's pi r squared times h. Okay. So I now see that yes, you did well, but you didn't finish it. You're supposed to ask the user for r and for h, not just r. So
I've
you need to have.
already done H.
Where did you do h?
Yeah.
No, use a small letter h. I told you, anytime you see h, if you see small letter h and capital letter h are different.
I already did one, yeah.
I know. So what I'm trying to say is that I'm not saying that you did not do it correctly for h, but I'm saying that you, in addition to h, you should have also done for r, small letter r.
Yes, sir.
That's correct. Yes, that's what I expected. Then let's look at the formula now. I see pi times. Now I guess you can fix that power down. So that power very well, and you see the Simeon fix it.
Sir, I can't hear you.
Look at the power. Look at the power method, the power function. Fix it.
What do you mean fix it?
There's something wrong with it now. Fix it.
In the max.power. Huh? Wait.
Now, is it I that I raise it to power 2 or H that I raise it to power 2?
Sir,
What are you raising to power 2? Is it R or H? Now, where do you have H? I don't see H anymore in the picture. You're supposed to multiply by H.
multiply by H or R.
Can you see a formula? The formula says pi r squared h. So that means you should have times h as the last thing. Simeon, can you take a look at your formula?
Yes, sir.
Look at your formula carefully. Just this thing is very simple. Just calm down and look at it. What are you raising to the power 2? You are raising r. So number one, r should not, it should be inside power. It's r that should be inside. Then after you've closed the parenthesis for power, after the 2, I expect that you should have another asterisk and then times h. I didn't say you should go to the next line. Just listen to me carefully. That same line that you are, that same line that you have math.pi times math.pow r comma 2. After, on that same line, you should have times h. Oh my. Shalom, please look at the comments. I will send you something in the comments. Are you getting my sense?
Okay. That's what I did at the start.
That is not what you did. That was
That's
not
what
what
I
you
did, sir.
There are two different things. What I said to you now is different from what you did before now. That's better. All right. So I look at, let's see. I think everything is okay. I have to look for the images and remember to put them inside your images folder. Why did you choose the one that was orange in color?
Yes.
Simeon, why didn't you choose the one that was orange in color?
Sir,
I said, why didn't you choose the one that was orange in color?
this one. Is it this one?
I'm coming. I'm going to annotate it now. Just hold on.
Sir,
No, not that one. Not that
this
one.
one.
Close it. No, go back. Go back. Yes. No, not that one. Hold on. Hold on. Yes, that one. The one that you click now.
This one.
Yes. Yes.
This one.
Why didn't you save it? You are supposed to save it and say overwrite it.
Sir,
You didn't save it. What you did now, what I saw you doing now, I'm not sure you saved that image.
is this save image as?
Of course, now we've said this thing before. Save
Yes, I
image as.
did. I did, sir.
Okay, no problem. So after adding the cube, you need the image of a cuboid and then a cylinder.
Yes, sir. Wait, sir, I've forgotten how to do this. Wait.
You forgot how to do it.
I have to put an image.
Simeon, why? All you need to do is to type the name of the image there. The name of the folder first, images, then backslash, the name of the image itself with the file extension, either .jpg or .png.
Okay, sir.
But how come you now have two folders? I didn't expect two folders. You should have just put only the name of the image. The name
Wait,
of,
sir.
not just images and then the name of the image, not images cube.jpg. You understand? So you have to go to your file explorer and fix it before you come back here. It's not here that you will fix what you just did now.
So these are my images.
I am going to save that cube inside images, not inside the folder, inside images. You understand?
Yes, sir. Yes. Who is this? So let me do it again. Okay, sir.
Okay,
So,
so it's there now. So go back to your Visual Studio and fix it. You can now go and, or do you want to add the other images now? So because so that you just do everything at
I've done
once.
it. I've done it, sir.
What I expect to see there is the word images /cube. So that's what I want to see there.
Images box.
Yes. Yes. Sorry, /. Thank you. That's it. Correct. Okay. So add the other ones, the cuboid and the cylinder.
So which one should I pick?
Anyone you like, colorful one. Maybe you can pick the one that has radius and height. That first one that is blue and green. Yes.
Okay, sir. It's wait. I did something very, very wrong.
I think you mistakenly copied something that you are not supposed to copy. So
Yes,
delete all
sir.
that stuff.
Yes, I did. No boy. Should I pick this one? No, this one. Okay. Yes, sir. Done it.
All right, go ahead and test your code. Well done. Nice job.
Five, four, three.
Is that correct? Just be checking it. Is it correct?
Yes, sir, that's correct.
Okay. All right. Okay. 4 times 4 times 4. That's 64. Those are the things you should be asking yourself.
What is not? Wait, 201. And this is images.
All right. So that's good. So this is what I expected you to do. Oh, it's fine. You eventually done. So, yeah. So, did you have any, apart from the challenges that you found now, did you have any other challenge working on this
No, sir.
homework?
No,
Any
sir.
other challenge?
No, sir.
Okay. And you don't have any questions you want to ask? Any clarifications you need?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay, so let's go back to the code. Let me see if we need to, if there's anything I need to add before we move on. You know, all this while we've been looking at math methods, right? So we're just kind of looking at the applications and things like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I think we can, at this point, we can move on today. If there's anything that we need to revisit in future, we'll come back to it. All right, so
Yes,
I'll need
sir.
you to create a new file, and now whenever you create a new file, you don't usually change your title. Don't be forgetting to change the title. I change the title for this one before you create any other new one. Change the
Title for what?
the title, the page. Look at your page, the title tag where you have my first web page.
Oh, yes, sir.
Have you seen it? All your pages cannot be always my first web page. You have to change it. So change this one to, you can, I don't know what you want to call this one. Maybe math or math formulae for solid shapes or something.
Sir?
You can call it math.
Maths.
Check your comments. Check your comments. Check your chat, sorry.
Yes, sir. I guess I've seen it. Yes, sir.
All right. So save it so that you don't lose the changes that you made.
Thank you, sir. Okay, I saved it.
Okay. All right. So you can go ahead and create a new one. And I think today we should be able to move on to if statements.
So wait, I don't know what happened to this file.
Just create a new file. Ignore this one. Create a new file.
Okay, so let me just delete it. Wait, so how do I make it? Wait, those are. No worries, I don't. Wait, so how do I make it that is not under images?
Click on any other one now. Select folder. I don't know.
I've selected folder. Wait, open folder. Start.
No, just see. Okay, have you created the new file?
Okay, okay.
Have you?
So how should I call it?
Okay. You can call it if statement.
Sir?
If statement. .html. Can you hear me?
Is that what you said? If statement.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes,
Is
I
it
can
if
hear you.
if statement.html?
Yes, you're right. Right. That's what I said. That's what I said. That's what I said.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So copy codes, copy the necessary things you need to copy from the others, and so that we can.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Copy. Um. Where is it? If statement. Here. Paste. Click around. Copy. Now, please, can I go to the toilet?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Yes, I'm back, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, I'm with you.
I'm back, sir.
You close your HTML.
Sir?
HTML. You need to close HTML.
Wait. Wait.
I didn't say you should delete it. I said close
Yes, I have to do
HTML.
something. Okay. Okay, sir. Yes, sir, I'm done, sir.
Okay, so let's talk a bit about what if statement, the if statement is.
Sir?
So sometimes in your code, can you still hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you. Hello,
Can you
sir.
still hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Hello, sir.
Can you hear me?
I
I
can
need you
hear
to
you,
respond.
sir.
Anytime I'm asking you, I need you to respond. So,
I'm
yes,
responding, sir.
okay. So I said that whenever sometimes in your code you need to make your code may need to make some decisions, or you need to make decisions in your code. So sometimes that kind of decision is what the code needs to work properly. Okay,
Okay, sir. Yes,
so
sir.
that's what the if statement helps us to do. It helps us to write code that one can use to, that one can make decisions with. Okay,
Yes.
so
Yes.
let's see an example. Okay, let's imagine a scenario so that we can write a short code for that. Just an introduction. Okay, so let's imagine that we wanted to create a code um, for voting. Okay, the
For
code
what?
should ask
For what?
for
For what,
voting.
sir?
Voting. Let's say one wants to
Okay.
vote.
So
Okay,
democracy.
so you want something like that, yes. So you want to, it's not as if the app is going to enable the voting, but the app is going to ask people for their ages. So it will ask the user for their age. Okay. And then after asking the user for their age, it will check, is the person greater than 18 years old? As in, is the person older than 18 years? 18 years or older. Okay, that's at least 18 years old. If the person is older than 18, is 18 or older, then the person can vote. Else, the person can't vote.
Okay,
Okay?
so if they put that
Did you get
age,
that?
if they put that age, will it say you cannot vote?
What did you say?
If they put that age and it's under 18, would the alert say you cannot vote?
Yes, 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 exactly.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
it will.
Okay, sir.
Yes, that's what we want to do. So do you
Okay, sir.
understand it?
Yes, sir.
You understand it? Okay, good. All right, so let's do the first part. The first part is something you can do. Create a variable called age, and then you know what to do. You prompt the user to um, enter their age. So you go ahead and do that bit. Don't forget your quotation marks.
Okay, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, sorry. Please. And Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
So I'm sending this in via chat now. Okay. I want to send
Sir?
something in the chat. Hold on now. Send it, please.
Okay, sir.
Can you see it? Hello, Simeon. Can you see what I'm saying? There is no space between the greater than and equals to.
Sir, what is that? What is this?
What is what?
After the closing bracket.
It's a curly brace.
I'm trying to find it on my keyword.
It's beside letter P.
Okay. Okay, so that's it. Wait.
When it showed you two of them, why didn't you just hit enter? You would have just moved your cursor in between and hit enter. Why you didn't need to delete it?
You can vote.
You understand what I'm saying, Simeon?
Okay, I've done it. I'm done, sir.
Okay. All right. So go ahead and test it.
Yes, sir. Enter your age. Should I just put 19?
Yeah, put 19.
You can vote. Okay. And let me try
Now,
again.
try something lower than 19.
17. It does not say anything.
Good. Why do you think it didn't say anything?
That means you cannot vote.
No, that's not what it means. It means you didn't code for it. Okay? So that's the first thing we need
Okay,
to
yes.
understand.
Yes.
You didn't code for it. Had you been we coded for it, you would have seen you cannot vote. But if you didn't code for it, nothing will happen. But all you know
So
is that
should I do it again?
no. We'll add code to it. Don't worry. It's not
Is
that
that
you
what I
will now
want to
put down
do?
that.
Should I have the same code?
No. Calm down. Don't worry. I'll show you how to go about it. It's not adding. Don't worry. Let's just understand what's happening here, okay? Then we'll add something to it by next class.
Okay.
Is that okay? So go back to the code. Let me explain it.
Okay, sir.
Go to video. Yes. Okay. Good. All right. So let's check the if
Sir,
statement.
I can't hear you.
Just listen. You will hear me. If you listen well, you hear me. All right. So you have the
Yes,
if
sir.
statement.
Mm-hmm.
Now you see there. Can you see the parentheses there? In between the parentheses, what do you have?
Age.
Age
Greater
greater than
than
or equal to.
equals 18.
Now what that thing means is that age greater than or equals to 18 can either be true or what? False. It depends on what is inside age, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Now, that whole expression there is called a condition. Condition, don't worry, I'll send you a note on WhatsApp.
Okay, condition. Yes, sir, condition.
You write it inside your book. Don't worry. And
Yes,
just
sir,
let me just explain
condition.
it.
Sir, I can hear you. You said condition.
Okay. Now, after the condition, if that condition is true, just as you have seen in the code that you just tested, look
Yes,
at
sir.
what's between the curly braces. You have an alert. Anything that's in between the curly braces will be executed. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
that's how the if statement works. It's a very simple statement. If the condition is false, that means if the person's age is not greater than or equals to 18, of course, nothing will happen, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. But you know what happened. The code didn't get executed. That's simply what happened, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So always remember, and if that's how an if statement works. If the condition is true, the code in the curly braces gets executed. If it is not true, the code doesn't get executed. It's just that simple. All right.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
All
sir.
right.
I can't hear you, sir.
You can't hear me.
No, sir.
Are you sure you say you can't hear me?
Like your voice is glitching.
Can you hear me now?
Not that much, sir.
Okay, let me send you something via chat. I don't really have much to
Okay,
say.
okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, so I've seen it. I said I will send you something for you to copy. Okay, into my notes. Okay.
All right, so I think that's it for today's class.
Okay, sir.
I will meet again on Saturday. At what time are we meeting?
Can we do 3 o'clock?
Okay, that's the normal time. Okay, no problem. You're going to play football on Saturday, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, no problem.
Bye bye, sir.
All right, bye.